Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce to you the WX3100. It's a dual-band wireless access device that has the AX1800 wireless. It can support an existing internet access device that has a smart mesh wireless, or it can extend your existing internet access device with a strong AX1800 wireless and lead your wireless into the last corner of your home. Let's see what is inside the box. Zyxel offers the WX3100 in an eco-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard. It contains the device in a stylish white housing. Besides, you find the power supply with EU and UK plug face. Also, you can find a stand that is also used as a wall mount, using it on the back side of the device, and a flat LAN cable to connect it to LAN 1 to your next internet access device. Slide the plug face gently to the power supply and let it snap in before you put it into the main socket. The installation of this device is quite easy. You need the content of the box and a few minutes to set up the devices. Let's see how this works. To start this easy installation, you need an internet access device that is fully working with wireless and also offers the Pro Mesh function. Connect the LAN cable to a LAN port on your internet access device and the LAN 1 port of the WX3100. Wait until the WX3100 has fully booted, and then it automatically takes the settings from the internet access device. You can see that on a green enlightened link LED. Now the data from your internet access device has been copied to the extender. You can now disconnect it from the LAN cable and also bring it to a distance between 15 and 25 meters away from your internet access device. It builds a big wireless cell now. The next scenario is an internet access device that does not have a wireless. You can connect the WX3100 with the LAN cable as before, and now you need the Zyxel Mesh app to install the device. The app will look for the wireless of the first product, then you can change the name of the wireless and the password, and automatically the device is added to your Pro Mesh app. You can see it on the homepage of the device. Now you have two options to extend your wireless using the WPS key or another Ethernet cable. If you choose for the Ethernet cable, it's safer in an environment where there are a lot of access points in the neighborhood. But in a normal household you can use the WPS button. Click it on both devices until the LED flashes red, and within 2 minutes the data are copied from one node to the other. Once the copy is finished, the app asks you to replace the extender unit into another area, and we still use the 25-meter distance between the two nodes to extend your wireless to a big cell. Allow the device to boot up in the new location and you can see it on your homepage. Also, you can see devices connected to your network, change the wireless and more settings. For any question about the product, visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk documents and the contact to the support team. I also remind you to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes.
Also, you can follow us on Facebook. If you are a Zyxel reseller, then let's have a look at partner.zyxel.eu. You can find help information, other price lists, and also the support team access. A visit is worth it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.
Zyxel unpacking videos are interesting for you? Then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you get notified when we upload new content.